Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and check out this beautiful 68 Roadrunner. Now it says that it's got a 440 in it, and as we know, Roadrunners didn't come with 440s in 68. So got a little hot rod swap going on there. Got beautiful red line tires. Look at those wheels. What brand is that? Riddler. Nice looking set of wheels on this car. Got power brakes. Somebody's converted it to electronic ignition. That's what that box there is for. I'm not sure what this thing here is, but it's been added on. Roadrunner. What is that piece on there? What is this, Jason? On the fender well over here. What is that?
Well, this?
Yeah.
This vacuum pump.
Oh, okay, vacuum pump. Okay. There you go, folks. Man, it is nice. That little plain dash. The Roadrunners are kind of stripped down. They weren't very fancy, but the price reflected that. It's a lot of bang for the buck, as they say. A lot of them even had bench seats in them. Beautiful paint on this car. Oops. I always like the way they did that finish panel. Roadrunner bird in it. Has a nice looking set of bumpers on it. Finish panel, I think you can buy those. These probably just have a new one put on. Beep, beep. Look at that. That is a beautiful car. Not that heavy either, folks. I mean, they're not as light as a Camaro, but they're pretty light for the size car they are. They get down the road pretty good. They came standard with 383s. And optional was the 426 Hemi. They had a 446 pack that was available on the A12 cars in 1969. But in 68, you just had the 383 Magnum or the Hemi. Look how he's done his lights there. Ain't that kind of cool? I like it. I like it. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed that little walk around. Please remember the good guys. Oh, we got a couple of stickers over here too. Let's see what these say. Yeah, good guys. Yeah. Okay. I love that hood. That is beautiful. Boy, they did that flat black. All right, folks. Thank you very much. Hit that thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos. We got a bunch of videos on the channel. It helps the channel if you look at 2. You can take a few minutes out of your time and check out 2 of my videos. That would be great. Even 3 for that matter. And we got some cool stuff coming up too. And that hitting that thumbs up helps us a lot. Thank you very much, folks. Bob out.